Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has gained 5.6% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI has shifted sharply into positive territory. The euro-dollar pair has traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is heating up and is currently neutral. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last session. The ADX has skyrocketed into positive territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The ADX has warmed up and is currently neutral.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Intel Corp shares are on track for their best quarterly performance in years, a reflection of investor optimism for Pat Gelsinger, who took over as the chipmaker's chief executive officer in mid-February. Shares in Deliveroo slumped by as much as 30% as the UK food delivery company made its highly anticipated stock market debut in London, dealing a blow to the city's efforts to attract more technology listings. U.S. stocks gained as investors waited to hear the details about Washington's next mammoth push for the economy from President Joe Biden.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. market manufacturing PMI will be released at 1345 GMT, the U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI at 1400 GMT, Germany's retail sales at 600 GMT. Australia's retail sales will be released at 030 GMT, the UK's market manufacturing PMI at 830 GMT, Japan's 10-year bond auction at 335 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.